Right, just try the TurboCAD tutorial. So I'll start a new drawing, so I'm not going to change any save them changes. File, new, from template, D&D, OK. Right, draw everything in model space. Let's put a rectangle in 300 by 100. Pick the rectangle tool, click anywhere, tab into the size A box, 300 by 100 in the B box, enter. Notice we're still in the rectangle tool, so press space to come back to the select tool. I'm going to pick up the circle. Now I'm going to hover near the midpoint of this line here, go mid and V for vertex. That snapped the circle. I'm still in the circle tool, so I'm going to put all my circles in that I need in one go. Mid, C, V. Right, so I'm going to put some holes in because it create like a lug as well. So no, I'll do that afterwards. I'll do some trimming first. Right, space to come out of command. T to go into trimming. So define cutting edge. So I'm going to pick this rectangle, snip out those two arcs. Space. I've gone back one stage to define cutting edge, which is good because I'm going to pick up that arc, use the shift key, pick up the two arcs, multiple selection, trim out those lines there. Right, so now I've got a lozenge shape. I'm going to pick up the circle tool, hover anywhere on the arc, press C for center, tab into the diameter box, put a 40mm hole in, and then I'm going to enter. Space to come out of command. Right, I'm going to select that circle. I just clicked on it to select it. And I've set up my mirror tool to F for flip. I don't know why I did that, but press F. It says define first point of mirroring line. Going to be middle of that line, middle of that line. Space to come out of escape as well to remove the selection. We've got ourselves a nice little bracket or lug. File, save as, save your work every 10 minutes, otherwise you'll be mad if you lose it. So we'll notice this is not a continuous polyline. So I've set up P for polyline on my machine. Right button gives you an extra menu, auto joining, select that line, escape space, come out of command. That's now one continuous polyline, which could be hatched if you wanted to. Control Z to remove the last command. Okay, that'll do for one tutorial.